is, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to the channel. My name is Easy Glaze. I'm here with Coachworks, and today we got a treat for you guys. This is Between Gears. Coachworks. Y'all bro. All right, Coach, what we got behind us today? Let me know what you got.
So we have an MGB GT. I think it's a 66. I'm not too sure. That doesn't matter. But what we're going to do with it is what really matters. Whenever I look at a car, it's very hard for me to kind of make up my mind where I want to go with it. And I think with this, we want to do a little resto mod. We want to go a little old, a little new, parts borrowed from other cars, parts from this car originally. We've got a whole bunch of stuff in the vehicle that came with it. So we're going to go through, tear everything apart, strip it down to where we feel is enough to start working on it and really accomplish what we're going for.
Okay. Now, I heard you said you was going to take off the chrome as well, right? Is that the plan?
Yeah, I kind of want to keep it, in like the Sebring style of MG. I'm not really an MG guy. I'm kind of an every car guy. Doesn't really matter to me if it's got an engine, 2 wheels, 4 wheels, 1 wheel. It's no matter. So I think I want to de-chrome most of it, get rid of the bumpers in the front and the rear, make some custom panels to make it all fit and look good, and complement the wheel and tire setup that we're going with.
All right. Well, I'm excited, and that's why he's coach. So without further ado, let's get started. We're going to pull it off the trailer. This is part 1, baby. Between Gears. You already strapped down, coach?
Ready.
All right. Anything you need me to do?
Always remember to wear your safety glasses.
I got my helmet on. All right. Nice and easy. Not bad. Good job, coach. Push it in or actually fit it?
Oh shit! Tell me when you're ready. Hey. It's actually not bad.
Not bad. I think it went pretty smooth. Push it from the back. Here you go, coach.
Oh, this is your stuff.
You look like a bicycle tire.
I know, dude.
Push.
So depends on that. 3, 2, 1.
Look at that baby. Ooh. Can't wait to Coach digs into this one. Yeah, Coach. What a sweet ride to have in the garage right there.
It's just a little single cam 4-cylinder with 2 carbs. Soon to be a much larger 4-cylinder with a single turbo.
So what's the first thing we're doing with this, Coach?
I think the first thing we're going to do, clean it out, right? There's cats that have been living in it. Like, welcome, thank you for the...
Let's show the viewers this. Let me get a quick zoom in on this. Show you what Coach is talking about there. What we got? Whole bunch of trash.
the truck stays work. That's a plus.
Okay, yeah. I mean, brackets look good. No rust.
Careful,
so
I wouldn't pull on those.
Okay.
This thing is old school, man. Gonna have to buy a lead hammer for those wheels.
To get them off?
Yeah.
So cats have definitely been living in here. Who knows what else, but
Yeah, they said thank you for the F-shack.
All right, so we're gonna clear it out.
Definitely gonna need a good cleaning.
Yep.
Just so it's workable and safe. Nobody wants to work with cat crap.
Okay.
And then once we clean it up, we start gathering parts.
All right, what parts we're gonna need, Coach? Do you know offhand?
I have some ideas. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna swap some Mazda suspension components under it.
Yep.
For the front and rear.
First off, hold on. Is this run?
No. Well, okay. Let me rephrase that. Where I got it from, when it came in a long time ago, I'll say between 10 and 12 years, but I can't remember. It ran. It was a running, functional car. I don't know if it would have been a good driving car, but it was a running and functional car. It's been sitting for quite some time.
And for those who don't know Coach's background, he worked at a body shop, right?
Yeah, I've been in the automotive industry, we'll say, whether it be working parts, writing estimates, fixing things, repairing things, fabricating things for the last, 20 years or so professionally, probably more if I really broke it down. My day-to-day, I fix everything from fire trucks to Mercedes Sprinters, GMT 800s, pretty much all around.
So let's just say if you throw up the bat signal, Coach is there. He'll make it happen.
I do the best I can.
Okay.
I work with what I got, and with everything I kind of take on as a project, we work on a budget. I got 2 kids and a family and everything else to support, so my hobbies usually are kind of back. So we will scavenge as much as we can from this to recoup some of the money to fund the rest of the project. Some of the things that I think will be really cool with this car are not cheap, so we're gonna have to penny pinch. Okay. Marketplace, be on the lookout. I'll be there.
That's our place. Yep.
Yeah, Marketplace is our place. If you need MG parts, there will be a ton for sale, and I mean a ton.
So to go back into the backstory, so perfect. So it's been at your body shop for the last 10 to 12 years?
Yeah, it's been there a long time.
Okay. And as you knew it was running?
As far as I know, the motor has been rebuilt at some point
Okay.
in the last, we'll say, 15 years.
Okay.
The floor pans have been done. I don't know what kind of shape they look like now currently.
Yep.
It's got good bones, which is what we're really looking for. We're making drivers. We're building cars that aren't trailer queens. We're building cars that you can go out in the driveway, clean it up, make it look good from, say, I don't know, 10 or 15 feet away, drive it, enjoy it, and have fun with it.
Okay. So obviously, we got to clean it up. We got to restore it. There's a lot of work for Coach to do. So what is the end goal with this car?
So end goal with this specific car, I like analog vehicles. No ABS, no traction control, something that you have to be a driver to drive and get the most out of. I think with this car, because it's light, when we're all said and done, be in the driver's seat, we're probably talking around 2,500 pounds. So we're going to shave some weight with the suspension. We're going to shave some weight with different wheels and tires. We're going to shave some weight probably with a different motor and transmission. And then we'll see if we can get into the fun stuff, the cool little things that people will never see. Right. Where can we take weight away from the car and not really affect the performance or how it acts and handles and all that fun stuff. But we're also going to have to include some safety. So, we're going to have to update the seat belts. We're going to have to update the seats. We might possibly put a roll cage in this car. I mean, I'm not talking like, a full door bar setup, but just a hoop with some connectors in the rear for the shock tower.
Okay. So, this project number 1, are you planning on selling this? Are you going to keep it?
That's a tough question for me. When I first started turning wrenches, one of the guys I worked for said, cars are to be bought and sold, not to have and hold. And I've kind of always kept that in the back of my mind. Do I have certain cars that I sold that I should have kept? Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely. I'm sure everybody out there does. The one that got away, the car that if you just hung on to it for another 6 months, it could have been something better. But you can't live like that. We get one go around. That's it. This is not practice. This is it. This is what you have until it's over. And I feel like if I can build something really cool, enjoy it, have fun with it, and then get rid of it and build something else really cool, that's kind of where I want to be.
Right. Well, either way, if you keep it or not, I think we're going to have plenty of more projects to come.
Oh, yeah. We've got, currently on the other side in the paint booth area, we've got a little project we're doing for an older gentleman, and started out as a GMT 800 with a lifter issue, and by the time it's all said and done, it's going to be a GMT 800 with a big cam issue. So that's on the back burner. We've also got a couple quads we can work on.
Okay.
And, I don't like to set deadlines or goals because deadlines are kind of death in our industry. And this is what I like to do for fun. But I would really like to have this kind of up and running, getting the bugs worked out by the beginning of summer.
Okay.
I think it might make an appearance at, say, OC Cruise weekend. I don't know. I can't. It's just speculation. It just depends on how much time I get with it and what we end up doing with it.
Okay.
But apart from that, maybe it'll make it to Vegas. Who knows?
Ooh. Okay. Well, so this project is going to take a few months. All right. So follow along for the journey between gears, and in between gears, we're going to have different videos. Like Coach said, we'll have a truck. You name it, we'll have it. So follow along on the journey. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you do that, please. Till next time, between gears, baby. Coach.
The shiny side up.